Yes, as I told, today our topic is volume of solids. So the definition of the volume of solids once. The volume is a measure of the amount of space inside the solid. Inside. Or we can say the capacity of a solid object is volume. Once again, see the definition. The volume is a measure of the amount of space inside the solid or capacity of that solid is nothing but volume. And now we'll see volume of cube, volume of cuboid, volume of cylinder, what's the formula and how the formula will exist. And volume of cube is nothing but side cube cubic units. That means side into side into side cubic units. Volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height cubic units. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h cubic units. And how this formula will exist? We'll see. First, volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid. Here I have taken one cuboid whose length is L, breadth is height. Sorry, breadth, whose length is L, breadth is B, height is H. Now, coming to the next point. Volume of any solid. Volume of any solid is base area into height. How? See here. Take this cuboid, pour some water in that one from top. Then where water will be first of all it will cover first base. Base it will cover. You pour some more water, then it's already covered base. It will start increasing. The level of water will increase. Pour some more water, it will increase some more. Then first initially it will cover the base. It is covering the base means it is nothing but base area. It is covering the area of the base. Then after that it is increasing. That's why the volume of any solid we can say base area. Initially it will cover base. That's why base area into height. It will increase. So base area into height is nothing but volume of a solid. Same like that, solids, coming to solids. First one is cuboid. Volume of cuboid is base area into height. Base area, the cuboid base is nothing but a rectangle. We know every face of cuboid is rectangle. So clearly base also rectangle. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. So base area is rectangle, its area is length into breadth into height as it is. So in short form, length means L, breadth means B, into height means H. Then if we simplify it, then we can get L into B into H, that is nothing but LBH cubic units. So area, base area into height gives us volume. Volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height, that is LBH. Next. Okay, one more thing here you have to remember here. If you forgot formula of this cuboid, volume of cuboid, then also you can, if you remember the volume of solid equals to base area into height, anytime you may recover. Not only for cuboid, for any solid, if you remember base area into height, you may recover. Next, volume of a cube. Here one cube I have taken as we proven for cuboid, same as it is for cube also. Volume of any solid equals to base area into height. And now here cube. In cube every face is square. In square every side is equal. All sides are equal clearly. If A is one side, all sides are A only. Here if it is A, Then that means length is A, breadth also A, height also A for cube. Why? Because all sides are equal. Then volume of a cube is equals to base area into height. Base area, what is its base? Every face in cube is square. So clearly base also square. So area of square is side into side into height. Height also nothing but one side. Now side means I assumed as A. That's why A into A into A. So A into A is A square into A. A square into A is A cube. That means side cube. Cubic units. So area of cube is A cube, where A is side. Area of cuboid is LBH, where L is length, B is breadth, H is height. And the next one, volume of a cylinder. Whatever the solid may be, I told the volume of any solid is base area into height. Base area into height. So here take cylinder. You take a cuboid, base area into height. You take a cube, base area into height. You take cylinder, base area into height. So volume of cylinder equals to base area into height. Now its base, it means cylinder. Cylinder base is in which shape here? Circular shape. Circular shape. That means base is circle here. We know area of circle is pi r square. Area of circle is pi r square. R means radius here. H is height of the cylinder. R is radius of the circle. As usual, radius of this cylinder. H means height of the cylinder. So base area, base is in rectangular, base is in circular shape. That's why area of circle is pi r square into H. So finally what we will get? Pi r square into H means pi r square H, cubic units. So volume of cylinder, easily we can remember, base area into height. Base area is pi r square into height, that is nothing but pi r square H. So three formulae I told how it will exist. Easily you can remember. The first one, volume of cuboid, LBH. The second one, volume of a cube is A cube, where A is side, and volume of a cylinder, pi r square H, where r is radius, H is height of the cylinder. Now some problems we will see. What type of problems will comes on these three different solids.